The armed forces of the Russian Federation continues a special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 83 Ukrainian artillery units, manpower and military equipment in 112 areas during the day. 2 hangars containing weapons and military equipment of the Ukrainian armed forces have been hit on the territory of Shkolny airfield close to Odessa. Fighter jets of the Russian aerospace forces shot down one made helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force close to Malye Krynky in Kharkov region. Russian air defense systems have shot down 26 unmanned aerial vehicles close to Krivosheivka, Nikolaevka, Rubezhnoye, Kremenaya in Lugansk People's Republic, Pesky, Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Vasilyevka, Stepovoye, Novopokrovka in Zaporozhye region, as well as Golaya Pristan and Krynky in Kherson region. In addition, 3 HIMARS MLRS projectiles were intercepted. In total, 403 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,528 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,370 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,410 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,052 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 920 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 8 artillery units as well as 2 MLRS and 2 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 167,499 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,557 tanks, 6,887 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky paid a visit to Donetsk region and pleased all the fighters. Our people, our military, our Donetsk region, our Ukraine, we are at home, on our native land, hence, we will win Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 22.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!